Today we will solve the 206th Leetcode problem that is called reverse linked list. Let's read the description. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. Let's investigate the example. There are three examples. So, in the first example, the head equals to the head node has value 1, the second node has value 2, etc. So, and this node is linked with this node, with node 2, and the node 2 is linked with node 3, etc. And the tail node is 5. And after the reverse operation is done, the 5 becomes, 5 was tail, and it becomes the head. And the previous x head, it was 1, it becomes the tail. And here you can see that every connection, every link is reversed. So here 1 was linked with 2, and in this case 2 is linked with 1. And what is inside the example 2? In example 2 is like a smaller part of the example 1, because we have only two nodes, 1 and 2, and node 1 is linked with the node 2. And after the reverse operation, the link is reversed. And input was 1, 2, and output should be 1, 2. And here output should be like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And input was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if the head equals to null, we have like empty array. So output should be null as well. Here you can see how this list node looks like. So the list node, it is like a simple class with the value variable and the next. So next is the link to the next node. So let's discuss how the solution should look like. Let's draw the schema how we will solve this task, this problem. Here is so on. So let's consider that this is the head node, and for every node there is the previous node. Only in the beginning, if we have like the head node, we don't have the previous node, but in this case the previous node equals to null. And we have head, and for every time we have the next node, the next. And after, so how can we reverse? So the first thing, so as the input we got head. Then from the head we can get next. So how can we get next? Of course we can define the node. Firstly, we define the previous, that equals to null, and we can define, the next node. And we can go from one node to another one and reverse every this link connection link. And it's obvious that we should use the loop while, because we don't have the number of operations. We cannot use for here. We can actually, but it would be better to use while. And the criteria to exit the while loop is that head is not null, doesn't equal to null. And what is inside the loop? So in every operation, first of all, we, as I already said, we should define the next. Next equals to head dot next. So we are taking the next node. Then we can change the direction of this connection. So head next should not be next should not be equal to the next node, but to the previous one. So we should previous, right? Previous here. So we got next. We changed this connection. So now the connection is like this. Let's copy this. And what is next? We should we changed this connection. So and then we should do the same operation with every next node. So we should move. So our current node that was head, it becomes previous. And new head, the previous next node. In this case, so like this. So it is doesn't matter. This one is previous, and head will be here, and here will be like new next, like this. So and we do the same again with this node. Then we shift and repeat again till the head equals to null. So when the head equals to null, we becomes, let's consider this list, we becomes here, we appear here. In this case, we should get the previous node. So the previous node should be returned. It is the result of this operation. So we should return previous. And that's it. So we just for every connection we reversed the connection, then we moved to another node and repeated this again and again. So the solution, the problem is solved. So let's check it. Yes, we can see that 3 cases accepted. Let's submit. Yes, we can see that our solution beats 100% submissions. Thank you for watching. Let's see in the next video. Bye.